Hey there, this is Stocky. In this video, we will be seeing 5 main points about Budget 2024 linked closely to stock market and how it affected the market. So stay tuned with me to know these interesting points. Before starting, let me give you the important base statement. Budget 2024 has increased the capex outlay to 11.1% for FY25 to 11.11 rupees lakh crore, around 3.4% of the GDP, committed to cut the fiscal target to 4.5% by FY26. This statement refers to the budget for the fiscal year 2024, which has allocated an increased capital expenditure, capex, outlay of 11.1% for the fiscal year 2025. The allocated amount for capex is 11.11 rupees lakh crores, approximately 3.4% of the gross domestic product, GDP. Additionally, there is a commitment to reduce the fiscal target to 4.5% by the fiscal year 2026. This implies a focus on higher capital spending in the short term and a commitment to gradually reduce the fiscal deficit as a percentage of GDP in the coming years. Here fiscal deficit means a gap between government's total spending and the revenue it generates, indicating the amount it needs to borrow. Now where will the capital be invested? Let's see the important ones. 1. 3 major railway corridors will be implemented under PM Gati Shakti. 40,000 normal bogies will be converted to match Vande Bharat standards. Focus area will remain on energy, mineral, cement, railway, freight corridors, infrastructure development, skill development, education, the welfare of farmers, women entrepreneurs, women's health, and so on. It resulted in the following. Railway stocks went down due to profit booking after the budget speech. Shares of IRFC, RVNL, Railtel and others were trading with losses, between 2% and 3%. 2. Allocation for Blue Revolution has been increased in the budget. In simple terms, the Blue Revolution refers to the modernization and development of the fisheries and aquaculture sector to increase fish production and improve the livelihoods of people dependent on water resources. It aims to enhance fish farming, introduce new technologies, and boost overall aquatic productivity. 3. Long-term interest-free loans to be provided to states to encourage tourism development. Giving states interest-free loans for tourism development can make travel more attractive by improving facilities and creating better attractions, and hence increase travel costs for tourists. This resulted in shares of public sector banks rallied as a sharp drop in bond yields is set to boost their treasury portfolio. SBI, Union Bank of India, BOB, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank and Canara Bank gained over 1 to 3% intraday. Nifty PSU index rose about 3%. 4. Prioritizing the growth of the EV ecosystem. Embracing green energy. Green energy is electricity produced from environmentally friendly, renewable sources like solar, wind, and hydro power, and promoting rooftop solarization. Aiming to achieve net zero carbon footprint by 2070, with a dedicated budget for rooftop solar initiatives. The goal is to make rooftops, solar energy, and overall carbon impact zero by 2070. The aim is to make our energy usage eco-friendly and sustainable for a cleaner future. 5. Shares of housing finance companies jumped up to 19% after the FM announced that the government will be launching a scheme for middle-class families to buy a house or build one. The top gainer was HUDCO, who jumped over 19% at closure and also hit a 52-week high intraday. Apart from this, the overall effect was this. Shares of L&T, GMR Airports, Adani Enterprises, Delete Buildcon, and PNC Infratech were down 0.3 to 2%. IRB Infrastructure, HG Infra Engineering, GR Infrastructure Projects, and NBCC India rose 1 to 3%. For those who don't know what these companies do, here is a quick guide. L&T, Larsen & Toubro, a conglomerate involved in engineering, construction, technology, and financial services. GMR Airports, primarily engaged in the development and operation of airports. Adani Enterprises, Part of the Adani Group, it has diversified interests, including logistics, power generation, infrastructure development, and more. Dilip Buildcon, a construction and infrastructure development company involved in projects like roads, highways, bridges, and mining. PNC Infratech specializes in infrastructure projects, including highways, bridges, and urban development. IRB Infrastructure, engaged in road and highway development, including construction and operation. HG Infra Engineering, a company involved in infrastructure development, including roads and highways. GR Infrastructure Projects, primarily focused on infrastructure projects, such as roads and highways. NBCC India, a government-owned company involved in real estate development and construction, including infrastructure projects. That was all about budget, guys. See you next time with a new topic. Till then, keep trading and keep learning.